In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Mailchimp emails not being received. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting to use email campaigns, not seeing your emails reach their intended inboxes can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and solve this problem efficiently. First, let's start by checking the status of your email within Mailchimp. You'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Analytics section, then click on Reports. Here, you should select the specific campaign you're experiencing issues with and view the report. This report provides insights into what happened when you sent your email. It's crucial to ensure that the email was sent successfully and did not encounter any errors during the send process. If there are any issues highlighted here, this might be the first clue to resolving your problem. Next, it's important to confirm your subscriber list details. Go to the Audience section and click on All Contacts. Here you need to check if the email address in question belongs to the correct list. Mistakes happen, and sometimes an address might be on the wrong list, which could result in delivery issues. Additionally, while you're there, take a moment to check for any typos within the email address. A small typo can prevent delivery altogether. Also verify that the subscriber hasn't unsubscribed or marked a previous email from you as spam, as this can affect future deliveries. Another crucial aspect to consider is email authentication. You can find this by clicking on your profile in the top right corner, then go to Account and Billing followed by Domains. It's here you'll want to verify and authenticate your domain. Proper authentication helps your emails appear more trustworthy to email clients, reducing the chances they'll end up in spam folders. Speaking of spam, let's talk about avoiding spam triggers. It's vital to craft your emails to avoid looking like spam. This means steering clear of using all caps, excessive punctuation, or misleading subject lines, as these are common red flags for spam filters. Additionally, while images can enhance the visual appeal of your emails, you should not use an excessive number of them without enough accompanying text, as this could also raise spam filter concerns. Finally, let's check for any bounced emails. After going to the reports section again, look for any bounced reports associated with your campaign. If an email bounced back, it means it never reached the recipient. In these cases, you'll either want to remove the invalid email addresses or attempt to reach out to the recipient through another channel if that's possible. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to diagnose and fix issues with Mailchimp emails not being received. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your email marketing efforts.